Yo, Elon, I really need to get that key.
Okay, let me try. Oh, no, I failed.
How cool was that? That was all done by AI. This same concept is extremely popular with Ronaldo and Messi, like I showed in a previous video. Taking this already proven viral riddle concept and combining it with the most popular people on Earth equals jackpot. So let's go. We are going to use Canva. It is free to use, and they also have a free pro trial available. Create a new design and make it vertical, 1080 by 1920, or click on phone wallpaper. Now we are going to create the background. I'm simply searching for items on the left and adding them to the canvas. Watch and learn. Now we will add 4 dots like this. I am adding the key, but you are better off doing this separate, as you will see later. Now you have to make the riddle with the yellow lines. Make sure you pick a yellow line. You can also change in length. Now place the red dots on top like this. Now I will remove the key. Now export and save the image like this. Now add it to a new CapCut project. Next, duplicate the project and delete everything. Now add a key. Now save it and be sure to check the transparency mode. Okay, here comes a trick. In order to save graphics, we need to duplicate it and put a small one in the back like this. Add the key to CapCut. Now we are going to add Donald Trump and the rest. Search for a full body image of Donald Trump and download it. Add it to Canva and remove the background. Now save it and add it to CapCut. Oh, okay, this doesn't look how I want it to look. We need to go back to Canva and enlarge his head. Simply duplicate the image, make it larger and cut out his head. Now save it again and add it to CapCut. Do this same process for Elon Musk and Melania Trump. Now we need to generate the voices. And guys, I am very disappointed because normally this would work with 11 Labs, where you only need to give it a 1-minute audio and then the voice is cloned. But for some reason you now need to verify that the voice is yours. Blah blah. Boring 11 Labs, thumbs down. But okay, I found a better way. Simply use Google and search for Donald Trump Voice AI or Donald Trump Text-to-Speech Generator. Here, this one, for example, works great. Simply enter the text and generate it.
Yo, Elon, I really need to get that key.
Just perfect. Now download it and add it to CapCut. Let's extend all the images to 30 seconds. Now cut there where Donald starts and stops speaking. Go to Effects and search for the nightclub effect. Now add this one and change some parameters. Now he will be moving when he is talking. Let's do this also for Elon Musk and generate his voice, etc. Now, Melania. Now, we are going to make Elon move. Click on the image and click the blue diamond from Transform. Now go a few frames ahead and move him again. Just watch and learn. You will also see me copy and paste attributes. Make sure you have only selected the effects of you only want to paste the effects. But yeah, that is common sense. Now I will edit the rest of the video. Somehow the video recording stopped, so I will explain what I also added. So, I added background music from the YouTube audio library. Then I generated these captions. Then I added this text for understanding. Then I added these filters. And last but not least, I added these right and wrong sound effects, and that's it. Now, it's up to you. Create your own Trump riddles with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Yo, Elon, I really need to get that key.
Okay, let me try. Oh, no, I failed. Now it's up to you, Melania.
Okay, I will try. Oh no, help, Donald. You have to get the key yourself.
Yes, I got the key.